Hello and welcome to another Igloo imaging tutorial. This one's on the Shape Builder tool. It can be found in the toolbar just underneath the width tool, and it looks like a couple of circles with some dots in. This is what it looks like. The shortcut is Shift and M. If you want to follow along, get yourself an artboard that's 1920 by 1080 pixels and draw some polygons. I've just drawn a series of polygons. There's 2 there, there's 3 there, there's 4 there. I'll just align them in different ways to show you the different aspects of the tool. First off, press V, which is your selection tool, and select what you want to make the shapes from. Hit the shape builder tool, and we're just going to draw. So this is a shape here, and this is a polygon here. So I want to combine these two. So you can see it's plus, it grays it out. You just click and drag, and that's it. If you separate them off, you can see they're 2 separate shapes. Simple as that. Let's try another method. So select all these again with V, press Shape Builder. This time we're going to hold Option. You'll see next to the cursor there's a little plus. If you hold Option, it changes to a minus, which means it takes it away. So just click and drag, click and drag. We can keep that as it is, or we can click and drag that one out of the way. That's how we get those shapes. So on this next one, I'm going to select these 4 here, press Shape Builder, and you can see the normal things happen. I can combine all these shapes. If I press Option, it would take them away. But if I press Option and go over a stroke, an outline, then it goes red. So if I click that and that, it's then taken away the overlap. Now you can see sometimes if you do an illustration, you might have some lines going over, and this is important here because if you use the shape builder, you can just get rid of them. You don't have to go in and realign and change the end of the stroke and that kind of thing. It's a really useful element to the shape builder tool. So give it a go yourself. I hope that was useful. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next time.